What's going on, Post Fam? What we're doing today is demoing a new plugin called Super VHS. This is a very inexpensive plugin that does a lot of dope things that emulates like a VHS kind of sound. Like the cool vintage stuff where you can just throw it on stuff and just make it sound completely different and completely dope. That's right, completely dope. I said it. So I'm gonna take you into one of my FL Studio projects today. Just a simple little song that I've been using for like background music in YouTube, and I'm going to show you what this plugin can do, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be dope. Dare I say, hecka dope. Alright guys, here's a project right here. This is just a simple little song that I made for background music. It's kind of like a lo-fi kind of style. I used a lot of samples from Medicine, the producer, who is super dope. You should check him out if you haven't already. Just some samples on Splice, but yeah, let me just show you what this project sounds like real quick. So we just got kick and snare, and then a sub, some shakers, Rhodes, and then later in the song I have this like real bass sound. So yeah, just a simple cool little lo-fi song. Let's get having some fun with this VHS plugin. Let's start with this Rhodes here. So this is it right here. So what we got, it's a really simple plugin. I love simple plugins. It looks really nice. We got this heat knob, which is like distortion and also just saturation. And then we have this wash one, which is like a really cool sounding reverb. And then this drift one, which is like pitch drifting to make it sound like warbly and like a tape kind of thing. And then this is like a lo-fi distortion thing, and then static. And then you can also do the mix of everything, and this is a magic button too that I'll show you as well. But yeah, let's just play it real quick. Here's the drift one. It actually reminds me of like that Spotify commercial that they always play on YouTube. Yeah, that's just a super dope thing. You can do it really extreme. That's like a kind of San Holo thing. He does that stuff all the time. Some really nice saturation sound here. And then here's the wash, which is super sick. It's just like a mono reverb, and it's just so cool. This static is so like satisfying to listen to for some reason. There's that distortion, and then here's this like magic button, and you can, it's like, it is magic. It's just like super wide, like chorusy sound. So I'm just gonna stick with this drift, make it sound really vintage and cool, maybe a little bit of static, and then see how it sounds with everything. I'll add some more reverb. Yeah, that sounds sick. This section right here. So I got this bass sound. Let's see what we can do with this bass. I feel like we can do some dope stuff here. Super VHS. Ooh, that's a good distortion for bass. That just sounds super warm. I love that distortion. Mixed in a little bit. Yeah, I love this plugin, man. It's like, it just kind of, it's a really, really simple way to just add character to your sounds. And you can just take a really basic sound and turn it into just something really cool. Yeah, there's like this solo section too. Let me throw this on here, see what we can do. Now that's dope. Just the magic button. That's all you need. I'm gonna add a little bit of distortion. Yeah. Super fun, super nice sounding. Let's see what this sound is here. Yeah, let me just try throwing some of that on here too, see what we can do. Yeah. See how that sounds? Add some more reverb maybe. Yeah, you can have a lot of fun too with just automating these effects as well, like the reverb and everything. Yeah, let me throw it on this kick drum too. See what we can do. Yeah, that's a really nice distortion, let me tell you. Like, it just has like the first half I think is just saturation, so it's like a really soft distortion, and then when you push it harder, it's like the really hard stuff, which I would rarely use, but a lot of times it's really nice to like add character to your kick by just adding some saturation to it. Yeah, and just like that, this song has so much more character and just it's more interesting. Yeah, this plugin is super great. It's very simple. I love a good simple plugin. You can just get some really cool sounds with it. Yeah, that's all I got to say about it. It's sick. And I think it's only like $30, so that's like really reasonable. Let me check real quick. Yeah, it looks like it's just $30. It's a steal. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you might check out this plugin. I really love it so far. Let me know if there are any other plugins you want me to review or talk about. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at @Postman so we can get to 10K followers. And if you're not already subscribed, dude, subscribe. It's not that hard. And that's all I got for you guys, so peace.